everyone, this is Priyanka and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to address about a systematic and step-by-step method for learning English. I know most of you want to learn this language but are not able to locate a starting point. Okay, so through this video, I'll try my best to keep my information simple, precise and understandable so that it can assist you directly. But make sure you are going to be with me till right end of this video. Listen. Okay, keep in mind one thing that by watching this video, you are doing an action that will benefit your career, right? Step number 1. Listen, I have no idea how well you understand the English language. But if you have the ability to understand this language, if you are quite good at grammar, then congratulations, you are not far from being able to speak in this language. At least you can understand this language, right? But what if you understand nothing about English? When you listen about English, you feel like running away. Okay, don't worry, I have a solution for you. To be very honest, my situation was the same. So to begin, bring some clarity about grammar, learn basic things about grammar such as tense, preposition. And I'm pretty sure that these things are going to be more than enough to grab understandability over this language. You know, the necessity of grammar will be high if you want to improve your writing skill. Okay, but according to me, speaking is all about making your tongue habitual, bringing basic knowledge about grammar, gaining some confidence and start your speaking. Step number 2. Those who already understand this language need to do two things first: reading, writing or watching. Okay, so do these two things on a regular basis with your full attention. Learn and observe how a particular sentence have been constructed. Focus on word. Initially, you would feel like that nothing is going to your mind. But believe me, things will get easier for you. Do it gradually. Don't make it rush. Okay, don't make it rush. But the condition is that you are supposed to be consistent, honest and disciplined with your learning. And those who need to do work on their grammar first are being informed to do the same. But having learned about grammar and all other required things. Okay, step number 3. In step 3, start speaking little by little. Stand in front of the mirror, gain some confidence, start speaking to yourself, then move with another way of speaking, right? So these are the 3 steps, okay, for those people who are looking for a starting point. Okay, start your journey and the remaining things will automatically come to you. Okay, however, start learning this language, have patience. Okay, so this was enough for today's guys. I really had to think a lot to make this information clear to you. I wish my hard work is definitely going to pay you off. Okay, keep learning. Take care. Bye-bye.